Hello, good day. I welcome you to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to make use of a logo, SoThink Logo Maker Professional. In this video, we are going to explain how to get logo, SoThink Logo Maker Professional installed on your system. Likewise, we are going to explain the rudiments of this Logo Maker software and how to, I will explain about the interface of it and the template that comes along with this powerful Logo Maker software. And we are going to explain how to get your logo design within 5 minutes without wasting much of the time. Please let's get started. I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video and share this video to your friend. Okay, the first thing is that on the logo software, click on it, right click and click run as administrator. Click on yes. Okay, now click on next. Click on install. As the installation is going, if you need a software, you can chat up with me on WhatsApp. Check the description section where I'm going to drop my details so that you can chat up with me on WhatsApp to have access to this software. Okay, now the installation has completed. Now click on close. First thing is that you are not expected to click on this software. As you can see, this is the software. You are not expected to open it now because we are on the free version. We want to crack it to make it a premium one now. Go back to the file. Let us import the key now. This is the SoThink Logo Maker Professional key. Double click on it. Open the key. Now this is the key. Let's read what they have here. Okay, now this is the key. You are expected to copy the key. Can you see it now? I've copied the key now. On your C drive, locate where you have this SoThink folder. Like now I have on the programs files. Double click on it. Common files, sorry. Okay, let me check the second one here. Okay, this is it. It is under program files. Now double click on it. Okay, now the crack file which you copy, you are expected to paste the files here. Continue. Yes. Okay, now that is the patch. Can you see it now? Patching done. That's how to patch the software. You can now make use of the software now. The software has turned to the premium version now. You can click on it now. Okay, now this is the interface of the software. Close this one. Now it comes with a lot of templates in which you can make use of. Under business we have 99 templates in which you can just do some editing and just turn to your own templates. You can see it now. Under business we have photography, logo type, we have for Apple Hearts, we have different design which just for you to click on it and do a little editing on it. On technology we have like 30 templates in which you can make use of. Under organization we have like 33 templates in which you can just maneuver your way and do some editings there to turn it to your own design without wasting much of your time. You can get this done within 2 to 30 minutes. Under version we have like 99 templates under version in which you can just take do a little editing and turn to your own design. Likewise, under letterhead we have a lot of templates under letterhead that you can make use of. Likewise, under badge we have badge logos in which you can make use of any of these templates and turn it to your own design. Likewise, under festival we have a lot of templates that you can make use of and turn it to your own design. Okay, now let me show you. Let's go under technology now. Let's try to make use of any of this template now. Let's show this software learning as an example now. Okay, now this is software learning templates in which you can just do a little editing. Let's assume that I'm trying to turn it to my own now. Since my own brand name Digital Life Hack, double click on the text. Now bring your cursor to the back here and clear what you have here. Since my own name is Digital Life Hack, can you see it now? You can edit the sub this thing here. Double click on it. Bring your cursor here, clear everything. Let me use a slogan now. Let me use it. Best in providing digital solution. Okay, now I'm done with this slogan. I can now move it now to where I want it now. Within 2 minutes, I'm done with my logo design, which I can just come to import and export here. Click on it and click on import image. You can now change the desired the canvas size to any of the size that you want. Let me use 1000 by, okay, now 1000 by 720 something. Since we have this one to be what, to be PNG, you can change it to JPEG, in which it will have a background. Now it has a white background. Now you can click on export, give it name. Okay, let me use digital live arc logo. Let me save it on my desktop now. Boom, I'm done. Now let me open this logo here. Can you see it now? I'm done with my design. Within 2 to 3 minutes, I got my design, my logo design within that time frame. Okay, now that is not only what you can do with this design. This design comes with 1000 flat templates in which you can use. Let me drag one. Can you see it now? You can drag and drop. This is something that's you can just drag, and based on the concepts in which you are trying to pass across to your audience. Let's assume now this I'm trying to change this this image. Now I can change this to something like this. Can you see it now? I can change it to something like this. I can change it to anything that I want, depending on the type of logo I'm designing. Okay, now let's try to do some editing here. Delete this one. Click on it on your system. Delete. Okay, let's assume this digital life arc. I'm trying to pass across the solution that way with something like security. I can make use of this key, since I'm trying to design a logo for a security company. Okay, I can now come down here. I can change the color to my desired color of this. Can you see it now? I choose this color. Now depending on the color that your client or your customer asks you to make use of, we can come down here and try to have the color here. And one thing, maybe you are not good at color stuff, you can come to this import image, click on import image. Maybe you have an image that you want to make use of, the color that have some color that you want to make use of. Locate where you have the image. Let's assume let me open this one. Okay, now this is the image here. Let's assume I want to make use of this color. Now just click on this image, click on this color picker here, click on it and come down here and click on this color. Boom. Can you see it now? It's not a must for you to know how to make use of color, but just have the concept that this is what I'm trying to achieve. From there you can have your design within 5 minutes. Now that is on that. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay, now we can also change this background color here of this image. This one is like white color. Now come to configuration here, come to color here, choose the color. Okay, can you see now the color I've changed? I can now change this one to white. Come down to where you have white here, look at white here and choose white. That's how to work with your design. Please, if you are new to this channel, I want you to click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friends. If you have any question, I'll be expecting your question at the comment section. Not only you can make use of this, let me change the color to back to white. One thing about this software is that you can make use of this software for a lot of activity, not only for logo design, depending on what you want to achieve. Okay, now let me walk you through the interviews of this powerful. Okay, let me change this one to back to something like that we can see. Okay, now this is the home. Under home we have a lot of tools here. We have the text tools. This text here is what the home. You can come down here and change the text to to any font text that you want. Before it was Tahoma, I changed to Fadana. Now I can now come down here and decrease the size. You can decrease the size just for you to have, and you can type the sizing which you want to. Let me use 18. Can you see it now? That's how to do it. And here we have, it was bold before. When I click on it, it was removed from boldness. You can change, you can click on this one for italic if you want to have your font in an italic form, and this one you can increase the tracking, the distance between each of the letters. Can you see it now? That's that one. Okay, now we have select and selector. You can click on selector now to select all the points that which you are trying to work on. Okay, Ctrl Z. And bring it back to 0. Okay, now this you can increase the stroke. Now this letter, you can give it a stroke. Now can you see you can increase the stroke of this design. Likewise, not only for the letter, you can use for an image also or an element, sorry. Okay, that one you can, this one we call halo. Can you see now? This is an image. Now let me click on halo. Now it has gone, but for you to see what your image, your element look like, you can now increase the stroke. Now can you see it now? That's how that one work. We have pen. Pen is used to write some things. Maybe we are trying to draw an element, you can make use of pen. Likewise, we have brush. Maybe we are trying to achieve something with brush. We have pen. Maybe we are trying to trace out some points for you to have an object. Can you see it now? That's the work of pen. We have line for you to draw your line. That's how they will work. And we have circle, just for you to have your circle drawn. You know how a circle look like. And this circle have stroke. Let's remove the stroke now. We have rectangle. We have rounded rectangle here of different dimension depending on the radius that you want. Okay, now can you see it now? Okay, we have for polygon. Polygon is any object that have at least 3-sided shape, and it might increase as many as possible. Like here, this one's for rectangle. This one is this one's triangle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon. Now if you want to draw an hexagonal shape now, you can draw it by coming down to this polygon. And we have different styles in which you can make use. You can include this slide here to, like, now I have 15 sides here. Let me draw it now. Can you see it now? It has 15 sides because, okay, let's try to use another one that doesn't have. Okay, now can you see it now? That is how that one work. And if we are trying to work on a lot of elements on your Canva, you can lock an object in which the object cannot be moved to anywhere except you come down here to unlock the object. That is how all what have at the home. Okay, now from home we have layouts. Layout talks about the alignment. Okay, let's have some elements here. Okay, now we have 30 elements on our Canva here. You cannot, let's come down to layout now. Okay, now let me have this to overlap each other. We have 30 elements here with 30 different colors. Now let's assume this one is at the back, this blue one. Okay, now you can click on bring to front. Can you see it? Like before it was at the back, but when I click on bring to front, it went straight to the front. You can click on bring forward. You can click on send backward. Can you see it now? You can click on send back. The work of send to back is that the image will automatically send to the back, while send backward means that it will take a step backwards. Likewise, this bring to front means that it will automatically go to the front. But when you click on bring forward, it means that it will take a step to the front. And we have let me use like this image now. You can click on flip horizontal. Can you see it now? The image flipped to an horizontal line, like 90 degrees. Let me just one now. This one I can click on flip vertically. Can you see it now? It's turned in 180 degree to flip in a vertical axis. Now when they could, okay, now let me try to bring these two images together. Now click on it. Can you see it now? This one says align left. We are trying to align the two images to the left side. Click this one's align edge center. It means that the two images, they are going to align to each other at the center points. This one align right. It means that it's aligned to the right of the image at the back. While this one is align top, you want all the images to have this a contact at the top here. Why would this one align bottom? Can you see it now? This one shifted to the bottom part of the second image. Same width. You are trying to have this the two images to have the same width level. Now let me click on the two of the same height. Can you see it now? The height of this second image at the top share the same height with the image at the bottom, same size. Since we have turned everything to have the same width and same height, they automatically have the same size. That's the how this layout work. It's something that you can play along with to for you to have a good or desired design. Under, I think I've explained what import and export is all about before. Likewise, under config, you can change you can set the desired shape that you want. Let me use 1000 by 1000. Enter. This canvas, I've changed the dimension to 1000 by 1000 for you to see the height of it. Now you need to drag these slides. Can you see it now? It means that this canvas have 1000 by 1000. You can click on distance to the border, or what you are designed. You want them to keep. Can you see it now? Let's make it 100 now. Okay, now you can click on color here to change the background color to any color that you want, and likewise you can choose custom just for it to play along with this each saturation and the luminancy, everything here, just for it to play along with it. But you can choose on the standard. These are the colors that are on the standard side of this software. Click on OK. And we have grid. Maybe you are trying to draw out the shape. Now for it to have a perfect shape, you can make use of, you can include the grid here just for it to have some desired shape. Likewise under here, okay, I think that is all. Here under this one we have effects that you can give to your design. Okay, now let me try this one now. Can you see it now? When I click on it, it have 3D effects in which you can play with any of the effects here depending on what you are trying to achieve. Now if you click on this one, it has on effects. You can also choose your own custom that you can play along with some parameters for you to have your desired 3D effects. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification whenever I drop an awesome video like this. You will be one of the first and that will have access to the information. Okay, now I think we have explained. Okay, now under color you can choose any color from this color palette. Now if you click on this one, it will show around there, in which you have opportunity of choosing 4 color related to the color in which you chose. Now under this one, you can see this slide now. So this slide, this one talks about the opacity of the color chosen. If you want it to be light, okay, you have chose this one. Now when you play along with this slide now, before, can you look at the picture here? When I'm dragging the slide here, it's fade off a little because I've reduced the opacity here. When I drag it downward, the actual color come to play. That is how downward. Okay, now I think we have explained almost everything here. Under elements, we have a lot of elements here. We have over close to 1000 flat elements in which you can make use of. Okay, but this element has been sectionized, in which you don't need to waste any of your time. Come down here, click on this one, click on any of the subsection here. Let's assume I'm trying to do a design related to something like children and toy. I need to click on children and toys. Here you have a lot of elements related to children and toys, in which you can just drag to your canvas. Okay, now under children and toy, you can now now drag any of the elements based on what you want to achieve here. Now likewise, you can go to other subsection here. We're under education and stationery. Maybe we are working on an educational logo. Now you can choose any of these elements here. Just add your text to it and have your logo design within 2 to 3 minutes now. Okay, now let me try to add text here. Click on add text. Let me use digital edu. Okay, let me bold it now. Bold as my logo. Let me try to add some slogan now. Learning with greatness. Okay, now I'm done with. Okay, let me try this one now. Let me change the size to something like 16. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, let me make it 8. Oh, it is too small. Okay, let me increase it to like. Okay, let me type 9 here. Okay, it has increased to 9 now. Let me increase one to like 27. Oh, let me make this one like okay. 30 is okay. Put this one here. This one here. Okay, let me click on it to come down to layout, sorry, and click on align right so that it can align to right hand side. Okay, let me drag this one. Okay, now boom, within 3 to 5 minutes I got my logo design. Within that time frame I can now play along with the color here. I can, let me click on this one, let me make it blue. Boom, let me make this one to black. Black is okay, or I can change the color to another color which I desire. Let me choose another blue color. Can you see it now? Within 2 to 3 minutes I got my logo design for digital edu. The next thing for me just to click on export here and export the logo. Boom, I can change the color here like to 1500. Can you see it now? This one automatically change for the height. Boom, click on export. Digital edu. Just click on save. Let me look at where I have my design. Okay, on that picture. Boom, as simple as the ABC. I just designed this one just for you to know how to make use of the software. I admit that I'm doing this thing for customers. I can do it better and up than this. Please, if you are new to this channel, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video and share this video to your friend. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.